Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam games that open then close instantly. A Steam game that opens for a few seconds and then closes immediately can be frustrating because it may appear to launch successfully before suddenly shutting down. This problem can occur due to temporary Steam client glitches, corrupted game files, damaged installations, or issues with the drive where the game is installed. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try to get the game running properly again. The first thing to try is completely restarting the Steam client. Open Task Manager and look for any Steam processes currently running. Select each Steam-related process and click End Task. This completely closes Steam and removes any background processes that may be stuck or interfering with game launches. After all Steam processes have been closed, reopen Steam and try launching the game again. Many temporary launch problems are caused by Steam not shutting down properly, and a complete restart can refresh the client and solve the issue. If the game still opens and closes instantly, the next step is to reinstall the affected game. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Find the game that is causing the issue. Right-click the game and select Manage, Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation process. Once the game has been removed, install it again. If your computer has multiple hard drives or storage devices available, consider installing the game on a different drive. This can help determine whether the original drive has file system issues, permission problems, or performance-related errors that may be preventing the game from running correctly. After the installation is complete, launch the game and check whether the issue has been resolved. If the problem continues, the final step is to verify the integrity of the game files. Return to your library. Right-click the game and select Properties. Navigate to Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game files and compare them with the official versions stored on Steam servers. Any missing, corrupted, or altered files will automatically be downloaded and replaced. Once the verification process is complete, try opening the game again. This step is especially useful if the game installation was damaged or if certain files became corrupted after an update. It is important to understand that a game opening and immediately closing does not always mean the game itself is defective. Common causes include temporary Steam client errors, corrupted or missing game files, damaged game installations, drive-related problems, missing dependencies or system components, and permission conflicts. A common beginner mistake is repeatedly clicking the play button multiple times after the game closes. This can create additional background processes and make troubleshooting more difficult. Another common mistake is reinstalling Steam itself before testing simpler solutions such as restarting the client or verifying the game files. To summarize, fixing Steam games that open and close instantly begins by opening Task Manager, ending all Steam processes, and reopening the client. If the problem persists, uninstall the affected game from your Steam library and reinstall it, preferably on a different drive if one is available. Finally, right-click the game, open Properties/Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. These steps help eliminate temporary client issues, repair damaged installations, and replace corrupted game files. And that's how to fix Steam games that open then close instantly. By restarting Steam completely, reinstalling the game when necessary, and verifying the integrity of game files, you can solve many of the most common causes of sudden game shutdowns and get back to playing normally. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.